Hi, Mar!
Uy, tingnan mo yung bird. Oh, tingnan mo yung bird.
Ito nga. Burj Al Arab. Go, man. The words only 7-star hotel. Burj Al Arab. Go, man. The words only 7-star hotel.
I've never had a closer relationship to any director, any person outside of the cast than with Direct Barry. Hands down. Never once did Direct Barry shout. He's always so patient. He promised me that anything that happens on the set, he will never mean it in a bad way. He's not just a director to us anymore. He's even a close friend that I certainly trust with everything.
Feeling ako na mas marami pang movie sa si Direct Barry. Open siya sa idea ko at sobrang open din ako sa idea niya. Mas sobrang nagiging komportable ako na ibigay lahat. At isa din sa mga gusto ko kay Direct ay sinasalugar niya talaga yung pagiging director, pagiging kaibigan.